Hey, Cap, y'all look good out there.
Alright. What you want me to do? I'm gonna spin around right here.
Man, perfect. How was traffic?
Not bad. Quite a few boats going from here, you know.
Everybody heading home after the show.
Yeah, get the boats back.
And those engines sound great. That is one pretty boat.
Thank you. I hope somebody else thinks so.
A lot of people do. It's a Hatteras. That's been a big discussion today. Hatteras boats all day. Not to be said. Comes a little tender. Looks like it's got a 70 Johnson on the back. You see it off your bow.
That thing on the fly.
It might be a pirate coming to get you.
Good luck.
All right, I'm going to pull out the still camera. This video camera. I'm going to put away this GoPro and pull out the regular still camera.
Okay.
All right, hang tight.